My congratulations, students, we are on the last lesson related to the product types. In this lesson we will learn how to use downloadable products. We are in the dashboard and I'm gonna go to products, catalog, and as always we are gonna use our lovely button at product. I'm gonna click on drop down selection and I'm gonna select downloadable product. Okay, and let's create some name. Okay, just let's call it like downloadable product. I'm gonna type some price, let's say $40. Okay, quantity 100. Okay, I'm gonna select category. I'm gonna place it in gift and services, and let's add some image. I'm gonna add already prepared image. And here is the most important section here, where we actually can add the product that will be downloaded by our customers. So I'm gonna confirm this checkbox. It's already confirmed. Is this downloadable product? And it's checked, so yes. And let's use the following button, add link. Here I'm gonna type some title, for example, download video training now. Okay, that's the title of the link that will be used for download purpose. And here I have two options. I can upload the file on Magento web server and it will be hosted locally, or I could indicate URL practically to some other web server. In my case, I would like to make local upload, so I will go with upload file, and now I'm gonna click browse files. Here I will need to indicate the application or particular file. In my case, I have prepared zip file. I'm gonna select it, and while it uploading the file, I would like to make some comment. It is possible that you may face some problem while you're uploading your files. The problem may happen because of incorrect file permission, so make sure that your Magento have properly configured user permissions over all the files. And the second common problem is the problem related to PHP ini configuration. You will probably need to check whether your PHP ini file have right upload limits. So that's two common problems that you may face while using the functionality. So in our case, everything looks fine. We have uploaded the file which is called downloaded.zip. We could also indicate some sample, but I'm not gonna do this now. I'm gonna skip this, and seems that's all. I'm gonna click save now. Okay. Okay, seems everything looks good. Let's check this product on our website. I'm gonna open new tab and let's go to our website. Okay, gift and services, and here is the product. Let's open it. So it looks like a regular product. We just we can make some descriptions that it's downloadable, but from the user standpoint it looks just as a regular product. Let's try to purchase it to see how it works. So we'll go through the whole cycle. I'm gonna add to cart this product. Okay, I'm gonna click here and go to checkout. I'm gonna authorize. Okay. Okay, and we're in my account. I'm gonna click on the cart button again and I'm gonna press go to checkout. And here I'm gonna confirm my purchase and place an order. Okay, it seems we are done. Let's find this order in the dashboard. I'm gonna return in dashboard, sales, orders, and here is the order. It's number 6, $40, and it has status pending. So as of now, this order is not available for me if I'm actually checking it from my customer account. So as you could see, it's pending, and when I click my downloadable products, it's available here, but I have no chance to download it. So I will need to confirm this order as completed in dashboard as store manager, and then as user I will be able to download it. So let's do it. I'm gonna return back to the dashboard, and I'm gonna open this order. Okay. And to confirm this order, to change the status, I will need to click invoice. Okay, and now I'm gonna confirm it, submit invoice. Okay, and if everything done correctly, it should be complete now. And if we return back to the customer dashboard, let's refresh it, and I expect to see that it will be available for downloading. And yes, as you could see, the link appeared here, download video training now. If I click on the link, it starts downloading the file. So this could be anything. This could be application, video training, and so on. Practically that's all. It was the last lesson related to the product types. I hope you enjoyed, and now you have better understanding which product type should be used in different cases, and you have understanding which product type is more appropriate to your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.